This is the new EON XR and the EON Metaverse Builder.
Hi, what do you want to learn about today?
I'd like to learn about DNA.
Now I'm going to create a knowledge portal for you.
My AI will now create my knowledge portals, which takes a few seconds. So what is a DNA sequencer?
A DNA sequencer is a scientific instrument used to automate the DNA sequencing process. Given a sample of DNA, a DNA sequencer is used to determine the order of the 4 bases, G, C, A, and T. This is then reported as a text string, called a read.
So how does the science actually work? And can law enforcement use it to help solve cold cases?
Extracting the DNA from the cheek swab or saliva sample and purifying it.
We need to get pure, high-quality DNA from the samples. Otherwise, none of the tests are going to work.
So here I can choose tools. I'm going to choose animation and smoke, denoting a problem with my machinery.
Hi, let's modify DNA lab machine.
DNA. Now I can go back anytime and add additional content to this experience. So what are some forms of DNA?
DNA exists in many possible conformations that include A-DNA, B-DNA, and Z-DNA forms, although only B-DNA and Z-DNA have been directly observed in functional organisms.
Now I'm creating an anchor so I can find my object at any time in the following year. This is great in museums, on trails, in a classroom, and so many other situations. Now I just turn on my application and all of my objects appear where I left them. And there you see my animation and my smoke that I chose from the Interact tool.
DNA molecules that she was working on in the lab come in different forms, and she was much more sold on looking at one form than another form.
And now time for assessment, and that is a little bit about EON XR and EON Interact with the Metaverse Builder.